You know, some of the products where you say, yo, you come up with this first, etc.
Well, all right. Me not put first 'cause I don't like competition.
All right, what you came up with it?
Yes. I came up with a whole heap when I learn from the cosmic. Kind of more make a medicine. If I make a medicine for herpes, syphilis, anything, say, what we are going to do? I say, put that bush together, and put this together. But the whole healing power come from God. Because a man can tell us that bush are good for this, you know, and you drink it, I no help you. You understand? Because your relationship with the inner being is not upful. So the whole thing about healing come from the inner being, which is the spirit. If your spirit not right, you not live good, you not go nowhere. Confession is good for the soul. So when you confess back, when you mistake and want to do wrong, and move forward, because at this you go. And some people do some things where them not forgiveness again. Some people do some terrible things. Because mankind, people is wicked. Just look how the liberty are going around.
Human being do inhuman things.
All right, inhuman things. So the whole bottom line, I got a dealer. And if you and God have a good relationship, you're going nowhere. So the herbs them I use now, Jamaica have all herbs. See them around me. Herbs them are the healing of the nation. They are food, they are mineral, and they are nutrition. Because when you hear it now in the Bible say, herbs are the what? Healing of the nation. And you hear the slang will say, let your food be your medicine, and your medicine be your food. So anything you eat, it will clean you, it will build you. And that's why I do my herbs them. I use all herbs. All herbs I use and prepare them. So this is all Snagga Puss, Dickie Rankin, the herbal man,
Mr. Balance.
And Mr. Balance, forward in the universe. So me upon the universe tradition, seeing so it's all about music, life, togetherness, show love and harmony for the human family. You know, so again, yard style liberty. Love you. Yeah.
Yard style life.